All right, folks, so here we are on another Poria incrusata. As you can see, it's coming up into this fire mantle. So what we're going to do is build a containment, set our dry down equipment here to extract this moisture and stop the growth. Then we'll be on the hunt to try to find the riser morph. All right, folks, so look at this. It's growing right through the fireplace mantle here. And it's coming up through the hardwood floors. So let's go underneath the house and see what we find here. Yeah, it's right underneath your crawl space. It's starting to go up into the hardwood floors.
Yeah, it is.
It's definitely Poria. All right, folks, so now we're prepared to make our cuts. Now that this containment is completely sealed, we're not going to put any airborne dust or particulates. Again, Poria is not considered an allergen, but it does breed other molds like Stachybotrys and Aspergillus penicillium. So you always want to wear proper gloves and suits and masks when you're dealing with this type of environment here. So anyhow, folks, we're going to go ahead now and cut the mantle. Wow, folks, look at that. It's completely covered. All right, so now what we're going to do is vacuum this out and see what we could do to trace out where it's coming in from. Is it coming from more of a crawl space or the exterior?
Hello, folks. So here we are excavating for the Poria. As you can see, we started here. We were able to locate it. You can see it there. That's the Poria. And there's a point of entry to the house, which would be there. As you can see, it follows along this wall all the way down to the left. And we're going to keep excavating and try to find the source.
All right, folks, so you can see we've got Poria fungus here, but this is why you don't want this stuff close to your house. You got the rhizomorphs here growing off of this, going into the ground, and this is what seeks your structure inside your home. All right, so what we're going to do is turn this over to see if there's any roots of Poria growing into the ground. You can see we're about 15 feet away from the house that's suffering from Poria. So let's go ahead and flip this over. And you can see, folks, right underneath here, you've got massive amounts of Poria here. And then right here is the root structure.